Hello, my name is Tracy and this is my little sister Becky. Hello. And today we're going to play Orbeez. This is a ladybug that sucks Orbeez inside its tummy. We had to grow Orbeez. It grows in water, like small beans into big ones. Oh, I got a ladybug. Orbeez! This is what we have in here. There is Orbeez, a controller, 2 wings for the ladybug, and this ladybug is really cool. It could open this and do that. This is what it looks like when it's done. It could eat, put his eyes in up, and flap his wings, move, turn, poop, pee, or something, or eat. It's really fun to play this, and if you want to see it, I should show you. So my sister is going to put Orbeez all around, and let's see if I could eat them. Could I eat them? No. Yeah! Orbeez! Go! Whoa! Whoa! Wow! Turn! Go up! Eat it, and snatch! I need to go to the bathroom. So we put all the Orbeez in one group, and we're going to see if the ladybug could eat a lot. Okay, here comes the end. Whoa! Whoa! Ladybug, you're trying to eat it. Yeah, right! Hello! So that's all for today, and I hope you enjoy. Bye!